Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the CUT PG Help. In the last video, I discussed about the importance of syllabus, the importance of PYQs, revision, and your personalized notes. And in this video, I would discuss about the resources which you should follow. So let's start with Western political philosophy. In order to understand the Western political thought, I would recommend you to go through the main text firstly, because it becomes very important to go through the concepts and get your concepts clear. So I would recommend Bryan and Nelson's book on Western political thought. In order to fill your factual gaps, you can also go through the Pol Science Help videos or EduSeeker videos, and they are available freely on YouTube. So the next would be Indian political thought. Indian political thought is very scoring. So for that, I would recommend you the IGNOU PDFs and VR Mehta's book. So the next would be political theory. So this is one of the easiest units and most scoring also. So for this you can either do Rajiv Bhargava and Ashokacharya or OP Gauba. OP Gauba इसीलिए because बहुत सारे बच्चों ने OP Gauba पढ़ ली होती है, और अगर आपने एक बार पढ़ ली है तो आपको राजीव भार्गवा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. So the next is international relations. International relations is quite huge, and I think most of the students struggle here. But you have to read only one book, and that is Andrew Haywood. And in that also you need to read only specific chapters which are mentioned in the syllabus. So the next would be Indian government and politics. And for this, you don't need 10 books. You just need one book, and that is M. Lakshmikant. You have to read the whole book अच्छे से, but your main focus should be on the important chapters, which are preamble, making of the Constituent Assembly, President, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSPs, then state governments, local governments. Yes. So the next would be comparative government and politics, and I think for this part you don't need to read any text. The videos are enough, and you can go through the videos of Pol Science Help. They are very clear, very exam oriented videos. So the next would be public policies in India. This is a very small unit, but I think the important one. And for this, you just need to read one book, that is Public Administration by Vidyut Chakrabarti. And in this book also, you need to read only one chapter, that is chapter 4, specifically from page number 211 to 216 only. And at last, I would like to say that there are certain general issues of contemporary relevance, like global justice, nationalism, and climate change. For this, you don't need to read any particular text. You just need to read your newspaper very religiously. And I think reading newspaper is fine for the contemporary issues. Thank you and all the best.